And now, Negros Sanos, get ready for the highlight of the afternoon, our talent competition. Each performance pays tribute to the notable figures and icons of our cities and municipalities, celebrating their legacies and lasting impact.
They say history is written in ink. La Carlota, our story was written in the air. It had one man, a vision, and a single piece of metal. He stepped into the light with nothing but an go-go bell, a very first instrument struck from the heart of the plaza to the peak of Mount Canlaon. That was the birth of Pasalamat. It was a grand thanksgiving for the harvest of our fields and the resilience of our souls. Every game begins with an opening move. And mine began in the streets of Silay, where I watched the older generations play chess for money. That is when I discovered the world of 64 squares. My father taught me the first move, and soon I became undefeated in our neighborhood. But when I was 8, I was diagnosed with muscular dystrophy. Ang balidok, hindi ka na maglapaw 20 anyos. Pero mas dako ang akong handom kaysa sa kahadlong. I believe God will provide, and He did. Nabuhay ko hasta 40. I won gold at the ASEAN Para Games. In 20, the IPCA World Chess Champion. But really, medals never measure my success. It was all for the love of the game and to give all glory back to Him. For I am Master Sander Severino, proud Silainon, and although I resign from the game of life, I cannot call it defeat, for I live fully, and that is my checkmate.
As the inspiration behind the Lubay Lubay Festival, his legacy represents the enduring resilience and triumphant struggles that define our proud history.
kabankalan?
Nga aman, ano ang imo pangalan?
Ako si Ella, ginaidolo tagit ka bala. Gusto ko main pariyo sa imo. Matahom, maisog, kag inspirasyon isang tanan.
Salamat, Ella. Pero kabalo ka? Pareho man kita. May yara man ako sang ginadayaw.
Sin unang
Si Lola Iska. Siya ang pinakatigulang nga babae sa bilog nga Pilipinas. Kagkabalo ka? Gikan siya sa syudad naton sa Kabankalan.
tuod nang
Oo. Dali di. Ikaw ang aking tanging yaman na di ubusan, masumpangan at ng ang panublio ni Lola Iska, hindi lang edad, kundi ang kusog sang babayi nga nagapadayon. Nadula man siya diri sa kalibutan, pero ang iya legasiya, magapabilin nga buhok. Kagsubong, ginapasa ko ini sa iyo.
mahimo ko malasan.
Oo. Kaisa kaw, isa ka babae. Isa ka babaeng kabankalanon. Ikaw, isa ka babaeng negrosan.